Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a Urban Decay and Urban Decay Kristen Leanne makeup tutorial, and I'm using the Kristen Leanne eyeshadow palettes from the collection. Don't know where here's the other one. I used one color from the Kaleidoscope Dream palette, and I mainly used the Daydream eyeshadow palette because I did a more neutral look this time. If you guys are interested in the tutorial, just keep watching. Before I go into my eye makeup, I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I'm going to give this time to settle into my skin while I do my eye makeup. Just take out a little bit. It really doesn't take much. I'm going to start with that and then add more if needed. Just going to apply this everywhere. My face. Especially in the drier areas of my face. Like that. That's all I needed, actually. I know doing my lid is. I lost it somewhere. I'll find it when I clean my room. I'm going to move on to the eyes now. Taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Well, I already took it. That's why my eyes like white. But that's my primer I used for the eyelid, also at the bottom. I'm first going in with my Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Daydream eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with 12-12. 12 out of 12, which is 1. Do the math. My nerves, sorry. But this is the color right here. It's like a nice matte coral shade. I'm actually taking the exact same brush that was in the palette, and I'm taking the fluffy side. This one. Both of them are fluffy, but I'm taking the rounded tip one, like the crease brush. And this is actually going in my crease. I did blend a bit above as I normally do, but feel free to skip that if you want something a little more natural. You can also buff it out as I do on the other side. The next color I'm taking is called Daydream. This one right here is the second color in the palette. It's like a nice light matte camel color. Flipping the brush over, I'm taking the flatter side, and this is going to my eyelid. Now I'm actually taking what's left on the brush. I'm going around the outside of the coral. Another 12-12. So I'll buff that out. Going in with my Kaleidoscope Dream Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm taking Corona. It's the nice gold shade I used in my last video, my last Kristen Leanne tutorial. I'm using the brush that came with that. I'm taking the flat blending brush. I'm putting this on my tear duct area to begin. I'm just stippling it in there for a little more definition. And I'm also applying it at the highest point of my arch only. I'm going to use the same side of the brush. And I'm taking Lucy. I'm taking this matte light pink shade here. And I'm using this to buff out my highlight shade so it's not all shimmering under my brow. Though there's nothing wrong with that. It's not the look I'm going for this. I'm taking that other brush I used from the other Daydream palette. I'm taking that same brush I used for the coral. And I'm going underneath my lower lash line with the 12-12, which is the coral shade. I'm taking the Milani brow and eye highlighters. This one is Matte Cream Luminous Lift. It's like these fat jumbo pencils. And I'm taking the left side, which is the matte cream side. This is going in my waterline. It's such an affordable eye highlight. It's awesome. I love it. Going with my concealer. This is the Milani Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in medium deep. Touching on my eyeshadow at the bottom a little bit. So I kind of brush some out of the way. And I'm going to go back in once again. I'm not adding any more concealer. I'm just making sure it's blended. And I already have my foundation primer on. I've allowed time for it to set. Though it doesn't take that long. But I'm going to go in now with my foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and use this up because I don't want it to go bad. This is the MAC Mineralize Satinfinish SPF 15 NC45. As y'all know, this is discontinued, so my favorites, but what can I do about it? Shake it up a little bit. Actually, I'm debating whether I'm going to do that. I'm going to take actually first before I apply it. I've already done primer, so we're good with that. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I'm using Deep Glow this time. Last time I used Medium Glow. It was beautiful. But I'm gonna try this and see how it looks. I'm only taking a little, so I don't want to go crazy with it. I went crazy with it last time. I love to glow. Kind of dark. I'm applying it like in my normal contour areas. Or you can also buff it into your concealer a little bit to highlight the area even more. Forehead especially. That's normally an area you will highlight. Down the bridge of your nose. Okay, my hands are dirty now. I'm use the inside of my shirt. Because if I happen to stain the outside, it's going to be messed up. If I stain the inside, no one will know but me. Now I'm taking my foundation. I'm going to swap brushes because this is probably why I have this ugly mark right here. Because I haven't washed this in like days. I'm just using this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's one of my favorites for foundation. It works so well. I'm going to put a little more over that area, but I will not be putting a heavy product. Taking my MAC 129. No, I'm not. That's disgusting. I need to clean that one too. Taking a MAC 116. My Milani bronzer all over glow in Radiant Tan to set my concealer. And this is pretty much the same color as me. I'm going to use the left side. Use that to set the concealer in place so it doesn't like move everywhere. It's not technically setting powder, but it works, so I use it. I still have a nice highlighted area, but I'm gonna add actual highlight. I'm gonna kind of stick with the peachy themes here. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude highlighter palette in Sunkissed, and it has these gorgeous golds and pinks, or golds and peaches in there, and kind of like some browns down here. I'm taking this peachy shade up here. Let's see how it looks. And if it looks good, I will continue. Oh yeah, it looks good. I like it. I'm gonna use some stuff that I need to be using. I'm taking the ColourPop Bronze Me Super Shock Cheek in Kaepop. And it's from the Karuchi collection. I'm trying to open it. It was like that. I'm using my fingers. I'm gonna try to reduce the number of brushes I have to clean afterwards. Taking my 2 middle fingers. Yeah. And I'm applying it to as a contour. I'm gonna just tap it into place, starting off. Oh, it's hard to do other side. I think it looks good. It's a little more natural than I would normally go, but it still gives a lot of definition to the cheekbone. Now you're probably wondering why I'm just gonna have a mascara. So I'm gonna put some mascara on. This is the Tarte Artist Lash Paint Mascara. For lipstick, I'm taking the Urban Decay Vice lipstick Bun Bun. And this is from the Kristen Leanne collection as well. It's a nice mauve pink nude. I also wanted to quickly mention that I really appreciate all the nice comments y'all left on my last video, saying that you missed my videos and you're glad I'm back. I'm glad to be back as well. Because I've been gone for so long. Feel free to leave any questions that you want answered in a future video. I might do like some type of, I don't know, roundup of a bunch of questions and just respond to them. Because I know I've been gone a long time and y'all the people who don't follow me on Instagram may not know what's going on with me now, but yeah, I would love to do that. Thank you for all the nice comments. Glad to be back. Did miss doing this as well, and hopefully this time I'm back for good. But thank you so much, and if you have any ideas for another tutorial, just let me know. If I have the products, I'll do it. No problem. Just leave it in the comments. I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.